Hello and welcome to this Android development tutorial brought to you by North Border Software. My name is Gary. This is part 28 of the Getting Started series, and in fact it's the first part of tutorial set 2. In tutorial set 2 we're going to look at more data handling, data transfer functions that we have available with Android. We'll be looking at databases, we're looking at parsing XML data, share preferences, and in fact in this tutorial we're going to look at how to transfer data between activities. So what I've done, I've created a new project. If you're not sure how to create a project, then certainly look back at tutorial set 1 where we covered XML layouts, creating the projects, the Android manifest, creating list views as well. So I've actually created a new list view project and set it all up as well. So really what we're going to do is, you can see what I've done here. I've just created an activity here, so all we're going to do is enter the type of the pet and the pet's age. We're going to send the data to the receiver activity. So we just look at the layout for the receiver activity. When we first run this, there'll be nothing in there, but we'll just take the data from the first activity and just post it in this second activity. So what I've done with the Java already, I've pretty much built everything apart from what we need to do for the data transfer. I've already set up the edit text that we need for the activity. Same with the receiver as well. So I really just want to focus on the core things that we need to do to actually get this working. Okay, so let's just get straight on with it. So we need to fill some things in. The way we actually send data over between one activity and another is in the form of a bundle. You can, I guess, picture a bundle as something like a parcel or a package that has to be sent between two locations. Inside the package there'll be items, so in our case the items will be the specific data we want to transfer over. What we're going to do is take that data and just bundle it up, and when it's all bundled up we'll move it over to the other side, to the receiver activity. So what I want to do is really just I guess just get the basics working for this. What I'll do, I'm just going to set up a string variable. Let's call it pet type. And what we're going to do is just really just read the data from the edit text. So it'll be pet dot and it'll be get text. And it's to string. Okay, so that's all we need to do to read the data from the edit text. The pet's age you're going to set up as an integer, so it would be pet age. Now what we're going to do, we actually want to take, we haven't looked at this before. When we enter data into an edit text, it's in a string format. Now we want to transfer that into an integer, so we can call the function a standard Java function to be able to do that. I'll show what it is now. So it'd be integer dot, and it'd be parseInt, and then we can just basically type out the what we would do for the edit text. So in this case it would be age dot get text to string. Okay, so that's the two variables extracted from the edit texts. Now what we're going to do is set up our bundle. So we do this by just initiating a bundle, and I'll just call it bundle in this case, very imaginative, and it'll be a new bundle. Okay, so now what we want to do is actually just put the pet type and the age of the pet inside the bundle itself. So we're going to put the specific data in. This is how we do it. It's just simply a case of typing bundle excuse me, put string. Now we use I guess it's a key value. First of all, this string here, which we're going to enter in, is it's an identifier. Really, we don't actually identify the actual value of the data. We give it a key or an index, some form of identifier, which we'll reference in the receiver side, which then calls the actual data value itself. So I'm just going to call this pet type, and outside here we just put the variable we're going to put in there. So it's pet type. So that's that string here. It's just going to be placed in the bundle here. Okay, so we need to do the same thing with the age. So it'll be bundle, and this time we're going to put an int. So put int, and we do a similar thing. It'll be a key value as well. So it'll be pet age, and then here we just need to put the pet age, reference that. Okay, so that's actually our bundle formed. Now what we do then, we need to just start the intent. If you saw the this is all in the on-click listener for the sender activity. So this is all happening when we hit the send button here. So what we'll do, we need to then just call the new activity. So it'll be intent I equals new intent. Now rather than typing out the entire string, I'll just go and get the value from the manifest file. So let's just go and find the manifest, and you see I've already set the manifest up, and that's the receiver activity there. So that's what I'm looking for. So just going to copy that in. Okay, give it a semicolon. Now what we need to do now is actually put the extras in to the intent. So that's how we put the bundle in. We call it an extra. So what we need to do is I put extras. Should be extras. There we are, and it'll be bundle. Okay. And now all we need to do is simply just start the activity. So it'll be start activity, and it'll be I in this case. So that's really what we need to do from the sending side. What we'll do, might as well finish the same tutorial off and just do the receiver side and show you that working. So let's just start the receiver side now. Again, I've just set the text views up. Again, we can need to call bundle first of all. We'll get our bundle effectively. So bundle would be bundle. It can be any name, but I'm just going to use the same because it's a different activity. So get, we need to type get intent. Okay, and what we need to do is get the extras. So get, it's just get extras we need to do. Okay. Now that actually pulls the data in. So what we need to do is reference the key value pair. So it'll be new string variable and reference the key value pair in the extras and just extract the data out. So we could set up a string, which would be call it string pet, and it'd be bundle dot get string, and it'd be the string key, which in our case was pet type. We need to do the same similar thing for the for the age as well. So it'll be age bundle dot get int, and it'll be pet age in that case. Okay, so that's what we do. Just reference those values. Just need to put an equal sign there. And what we need to do now is just set the text views in that particular layout. So it'll be pet type set text. It'll be pet, and finally pet age dot set. Now this is an integer, we need to move that back to a string, so it'll be set text, and it'll be integer, and it'll be to string, and it'll be age. Okay, and that's actually all we need to do. So I'll just format the code, Control L, and just make sure this one's okay as well. Okay, what I'll do then, I'll just test this up now and see how that functions. The emulator's loaded now, and the app is running. So this is the first list view entry. So let's just type the name of a pet, so type of pet, sorry. So it would be a dog, and it's a dog age 12. And we'll just send that. So it's going to call in your activity. You can see it's moved the data over into the receiver activity. Okay, so let's just change that. Cat, very imaginative again. It's cat age 3, and we'll send that over. So you can see that's functioning as expected. So we'll leave the bundles for now. We'll go on to do some shared preferences, and catch you in the next one. Bye for now.